perfect.
Perimeter secured. Moving to checkpoint Alpha. Conditions are worsening.
All right, easy there. Got something for you. Setting up the usual morning supplies. Everything needs to be precise and ready for the wolves. Good boy. Just a quick look. Vitals are steady. All done. Take a deep breath. Good boy. Just a little pinch. Done. Looking good, buddy. Breeding pen 4, litter count confirms 6 pups. Copy that. Monitoring father wolf's response. All right, pups, here you go. Just wait a second. There we go, fill up. Breeding pen 2, water dispenser checked. Levels are good.
Copy that. Proceed to enrichment.
Okay, let's see. 38.5 kilograms. Whimper. You're doing very well. Just checking this little paw here. Looks perfect. Good boy.
Keep it down, pups. We'll be quieter.
I have the data. Initiate the transfer. Pups are ready for the larger enclosures. Confirm.
Copy that. Proceeding with transfer immediately. Over.
All right, little ones, in you go. Steady now. Good. Come on, you too. That's it. All right, let's see how you like your new home. Initiating feeding cycle for enclosure 3. Checking portions. Looking good, they're waiting. I've spotted one limping near there, the southwest feeding station. Opening the gate now. Let's see what this is showing. Growth is inconsistent. That's not right. What's causing this decline? System check nominal. All parameters within safe limits. Setting passive mode.
Подлинні бірули.
Perimeter clear. No breaches reported. Adjusting altitude for behavioral analysis.
Sample 004, temperature stable. Initiating analysis. System's holding. Water's fresh. Good to go, boy. Good boy, let's just finish this up. Looking healthy. Sector 3 is secure, white coat is present and appears healthy. Moving to Sector 4. Affirmative, proceed with caution. Inventory updated, box of sterile bandages added to stock. Now scanning medication. Gate appears secure, checking the wolf's condition. Looks good. Over. Time for a fresh batch. Keep it pure. Understood. Woo-hoo!
Analyzing sample. Significant parasite load. Need immediate treatment protocol.
All right, numbers checked, ready for transfer.
Systems check complete. Vehicle appears operational. Starting engine.
Good, steady now. In you go. In you go.
Good boy.
Stations are prepared and checked. Systems are go. Let's maintain our efficiency and focus.
You're good right there. Copy. Hop. Preparing to shoot.
Proceed with stunning.
Keep the line moving. Speed it up on section 2.
The system appears to be processing the residuals with adequate efficiency. Ensure all parts are separated correctly before rendering.
The texture is excellent. Ready for storage. Perfect. Grade A. Setting the pressure now, looks good. Sealing.
Bedding's down. Toy and bone are placed. Everything's ready for the new pack. Keep your distance, watch them adjust. We can't rush this stage. They need to feel secure.
Next shift in. Engaging, pressure increasing, looks good. Ready for the next one. goes to container B. Secure it. Move it faster. Good, next. Manifest confirmed, seals attached. Transport unit is secure.
The system is reading perfectly within parameters. Excellent. The environment is optimal. They're doing well. Just as planned. Quiet, healthy.
Keep your blade steady and precise. The angle ensures maximum yield without damaging the coat. Observe closely.
Wind's picking up. Readings are critical. Need eyes on all enclosures.
Copy that. Checking now.
It's beautiful, but it's a harsh beauty.
Keep it moving. Right behind you. Gate secured.